Would you be happy to become a crypto millionaire if it also meant society was going to collapse in roughly 2 years? I mean, big business has no ethics, so why should you, right? You're in? Okay, I'll explain how. You've no doubt heard people saying that crypto is going to be the greatest wealth transfer in history. Yeah, no shit, but it's not what the plebs think. This is just another one of those sick play on words that the mega rich love. If you watched my video, Get Rich Off Grandpa, you'll know that the institutions behind the Bitcoin ETFs are aiming to loot the baby boomers' retirement funds during the next crypto explosion. And if you were really paying attention, you'll remember that I mentioned the insane risk to society that go along with tying up the infamously volatile crypto markets with pension pots and social security. Now, anybody watching that doesn't know me probably thinks I've melted my brain sniffing one too many glue sticks, so it delighted my inner chaos demon when I came across this banger of a news headline soon after I shared my theories with you all. Yeah, that's right. They're literally telling you what they're doing so the sheeple don't freak out. Blackrock, those trustworthy guys that have accumulated influential shareholdings in pretty much every multinational company that exists, learn about that here, have been doing some more charitable work. That's right. They've very kindly been educating pension funds and endowments about their new Bitcoin ETF products. And if that's not enough, they're going the extra mile to ensure that sovereign wealth funds don't miss out on the party. Now, for those of you that don't know, the purposes of sovereign wealth funds include stabilizing the national economy, saving funds for future generations, and funding social and economic development. So what could possibly go wrong if you connect pension funds, endowments, and sovereign wealth funds, which again are designed to stabilize the economy? Yeah, connect all of those with an asset class that dumps 70 to 80% from its peak every single time. So, no doubt people will scream at me, this time will be different. There's no way we can dump 80% from the next high due to institutional demand. To all of you, I say good luck. Just make sure you don't buy the top. Greyscale are wasting no time in luring some fresh meat in as they launched this new TV advertisement.
Sometimes investing can feel like you're going at it alone, especially when it comes to adding crypto to your portfolio.
That's right, Grandma and Grandpa, you don't have to go it alone because Greyscale is here to help you. Just like Blackrock is here to educate everyone. Don't worry, I'm crazy. There's absolutely no way there's a plan to destabilize the already entirely broken fiat economy, bring social security to its knees, and usher in a new era of economic depression that leads to a technocratic, feudalistic, universal basic income serfdom future for all. Right? Just like there's no way the crypto markets are heavily manipulated into huge pumps and then epic dumps. Wait, I made a video explaining exactly how the markets are manipulated and how you can profit from it. Oh shit. Well, the good news is that not everyone needs to get screwed. If you know what to buy and when to sell, you can be one of the few people that walks away from this geriatric car crash without needing a hip replacement. Check the links down below to find out how my team and I can help you learn how to profit from this madness. But hey, before you rush off, I didn't even get started on the angry red pill guys. You know, the ones I put in the title of this video? Yes, my fellow crypto cutthroats and get rich wannabes with no ethics and no morals, I have good news for you. More sacrificial victims are being prepared to burn in the crypto bull run furnaces. Praise be to Crypto.com, who are back once again with another advertisement designed to tug at the subconscious. This time, they're after the angry, disillusioned male, affectionately known as the red-pilled incel. Let's take a look.
They ignored your potential.
Ooh, we're off to a good start.
Dissed your achievements. And mocked your ambition. But it's not the critical counts. And you know that. From the beginning, you couldn't be stopped. Breaking resistance with every swing and block.
Oh, they made a trading reference. Ooh-wee.
Your game plan never changed.
That's right, my angry red-pilled friends. The algorithm and influencers brainwashed you for the last 2 years into loving fistfights and slap wars, and now You will love the crypto because
you know what it's always been. Inevitable.
that's some good marketing. Ooh-wee. Tugging at the ego, the us versus them, tickling the inner narcissism, the excitement of violence and domination, the chance to prove to everyone what a big boy you are with your big boy pants and your bonk coins and your dog with hat. I gotta credit Crypto.com with some big balls for sticking to their fortune favors the brave motto after the hilarious Matt Damon advert that went viral for all the wrong reasons as the last crypto bull run collapsed. So here we go. The young, angry men are ready to pile in. The grandmas and grandpas are getting a helping hand, and our nation states are slowly being lured into this crypto clusterfuck. Some mind-blowing money is going to be made as the crypto train starts this epic run to new heights, and the FOMO hasn't even begun. But for those of you that follow me, you know what comes after. The crypto apocalypse. There is a golden window of opportunity to make some money before society is ripped to pieces, and I highly recommend you take a look in the description to find out how our community, our coaches, and tools can help you make it happen. And fear not the crypto apocalypse, because for those in the know, it shall be a grand money-making adventure. And if you play your cards right, you may be in a position to help those who have been slaughtered by the institutional meat grinders. Until next time, stop grinding, start laughing, and stack profits. Because, my angry red pill friends, if you do, you might finally get laid.
Yes, the world is going mad. Sigma grind said, what the fuck is that? The middle class taking up their asses, the rich preying on their empty pockets. I'll own nothing and I'll be happy. Make it make sense to me. Where the sky